Hi guys, in this video we're going to look at 5 hot KDP niches 2022. Now if you're new here, I'm Jay, welcome to my channel. This is my Make Money with Jay. I upload videos how to make money on Etsy and on KDP, Amazon KDP that is, and I also upload colouring pages, what you can have for free. But today we're going to look at some niches. Now a couple of weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, I started sharing some niches for June, if you look at these, some cool niches, hot niches, and I actually copied one of the books. One of these niches, I copied, so whatever I share, I do as well, guys. So and I took advantage of that. Now, if you look at my my latest video, you will see my best ever Amazon KDP earnings, because I followed that niche. Now I'm going to share some more niches today, and I'm going to make some books about them. So if you want to copy along, guys, and make some books with me, then hopefully we'll both like hit the jackpot, Let's get into it though, guys. So the first one, and I've shared this one before, is Aquarium colouring book for kids. Look, 57, and there's 1,000 results. So they uploaded it. Look, 26th of May 2022. Oh no, sorry, that's Minecraft. Ignore that one. But yeah, there's books in it. I mean, I can't really see much. Like, I don't know if they've been selling or not because I can't see, but it seems like a popular niche, doesn't it? So 57's not bad. Now let's move on to the next one. This one, I'm not sure if we passed it, but sometime this month in June, it's National Donut Day. Now I've spelt it wrong there because, but if you look, it's 63. But if you still scroll down, it still shows donuts. Lots of different donut books. Now you can check it out yourself. You can play around with it and try different spellings. But if you spelt it wrong, or if you put that as one of your keywords, your 7 keywords, you've got a good chance of it getting found, don't you, guys? So that's another one. Now another one is At the Beach colouring book. Now we're coming into summer, so a lot of these like summer kind of books are going to hopefully do all right. Now I'm not sure if you take a colouring book to the beach, but some people might do, guys. But it's 60 anyway, and there's only 888 people searching for it. But look, beach life, relaxing summer, At the Beach colouring book. So other people are making it. They are jumping on this as well, guys. So feel free. Look, At the Beach colouring book, beach romance, 183 graphic designs, lots of different beach ones. So maybe it's a good one for jump on. But like I said, I don't know if people will take it to the beach. Another one, guys, summer sports. Now this one, I've put summer sport because summer's obviously coming up, and also the Commonwealth Games are coming up. It's 40. I know it's less than 50, but it could still be good, guys. Not many people are going to jump on the Commonwealth Games. Look, summer beach colouring book, summer sports. So people are jumping on it. Summer colouring book, Hello Summer. Olympic Games. I mean, that were made 2021, but could be worth it, guys. Could be worth it. Another one, guys. Canada Day. Now, Canada Day is coming up, so I think it's the 1st of July, I think. So I mean, it's only small, but if you play around with it, and I've obviously spelt colouring the English way, so if you play around with it like the American way, let's just see if it does anything. Right. 38 there, guys. It's only 217 results, so if it's quite a high score, it could be worth jumping on. Give it a couple of seconds. That one was 38, so it's dropped actually, guys. But look, Happy Canada Day, Earth and Canada Day, Happy Family Day for Canada. People jumping on it, guys. Might be worth it. But like I say, I'm giving you all these different ones. Now, obviously, 4th of July, So 4th of July activity book. Let's just change it to colouring book. Again, I've spelled it the English way. Got 1,000 results. Let's see what it comes in at. So 45, it's still worth I still think it's worth 4th of July colouring activity book, 4th of July colouring book. Yeah, so loads of people jumping on this. Also, you can also check for Independence Day. Yeah, Independence Day is the 4th of July. So we've got 1,000 results again for that. 55, so it's even better, guys. Yeah. So, look, Independence Day colouring book, Independence Day. Yeah, Independence Day. Let me just try something. So it's 55 for the kids, yeah. So let's delete that. Let's just see what it is. Oh, we've got 2,000 results now, so it's even more. So yeah, it's probably better if I do it for kids. Depending on what score this is, they'll probably still bring them up anyway. 47, yeah, so it's better with kids. But look, patriotic alphabet for kids, 4th of July colouring book for kids, Independence Day. So this one's bringing up like a mixture of 4th of July and Independence Day, isn't it? Yeah. So, guys, I mean, that's another one. Another summer games. I'll try a different one out. So that is it for today's video, guys. Hope you liked it and hope you take advantage of some of these niches, because I certainly am. I think I'm going to do like the at the beach or the summer games kind of one. Donut Day, I think, is probably a bit too. It's too close, I think. So there's no point making that one. But even though it was good, it was a good score, wasn't it? The donut one. Yeah, 63. But I think it's going to be cutting it too fine. That anyway. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I upload videos quite often. I'm trying to get back into a routine where I upload each day. And yeah, feel free to check them out, guys. And like I say, I've got colouring pages. I upload colouring pages for free. And if you want to check them out, go over to a website called Christmas Everyday Club, christmaseverydayclub.com, yeah? And you will see... Yeah, so if you see this sign, this is mine. You'll see I've got a blog post. Yeah, I've got some blog posts on and colouring pages, guys. Yeah, so you look, colouring pages, different ones. Yeah, if you click on that, it'll bring up more. And then I've got activity pages for free. I've got printable party games for free, guys. So check them out, guys. You can use these if you want. Do a few little tweaks to them, and then you can put them in your own books, sell them yourself. Yeah. So. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Until next time, goodbye.